Hello, friends. Today I will tell you about one of the most impressive hotels in Madeira, Savoy Palace 4 stars, located in the center of Funchal. I will check everything: rooms, restaurants, spa, and even the beach. Let's go! If you like hotel reviews, subscribe to the channel, like, and turn on the bell so as not to miss new videos. The hotel is located in the heart of Funchal, just a couple of minutes walk to the center, and about 20 kilometers to the international airport. Thanks to this, you can go out at any time and immediately immerse yourself in the atmosphere of the city. The hotel has 352 rooms on 16 floors. The rooms are spacious, bright, with views of the ocean or the city. Each has high-quality furniture, a minibar, a safe, and a cozy bathroom with modern plumbing. An extensive buffet with a variety of dishes is available here, including a traditional Portuguese breakfast. For staying in the suites, there is a separate breakfast on the roof in the Jacaranda Club. Also, Galaxia Restaurant on the roof, another one by the pool, and several restaurants of the ethnic Mediterranean cuisine type. The hotel is really big. A huge, spectacular lobby creates an atmosphere of luxury. At the same time, you can feel a cozy, private atmosphere. The main feature is the idea of a hotel within a hotel. In the suites, there is a separate floor, Jacaranda, with its own infinity pool and a restaurant, where you can relax, far from the hustle and bustle. Interesting fact, Funchal is the hometown of Cristiano Ronaldo, and his monument is located very close to the hotel. The Portuguese proverb, "He who waits will always achieve," which perfectly reflects the slow, leisurely pace of rest in Madeira. On the territory there are several pools, the main pool at ground level and a roof with an infinity pool for suites. In addition, there is an indoor pool in the spa area. There is no direct access to the beach. The nearest beaches are in the city, about 1 to 2 kilometers away. Not the biggest plus, but for those who love swimming pools, this is not critical. There is a kids club and a children's pool, a playroom. Judging by the reviews, parents especially note its convenience and the attention of the staff. The spa is one of the largest in Portugal, about 3,000 square meters, with hydrotherapy, sauna, Turkish bath, massage. Inspired by the laurel forest of Madeira, the gym is open 24 hours a day, equipped with cardiovascular equipment. A stay in a standard double room for 10 nights will cost about $2,500 to $3,500. Pros of the hotel: large rooms with great views, several restaurants, varied breakfast, rooftop restaurant and pool for suites, huge modern spa and 24-hour gym, children's activities and amenities. Location in the center of Funchal. Cons: no direct beach access. Very large hotel, not for boutique lovers. Expensive for budget travelers. Visitor reviews: super professional staff, great pool, great breakfast. Large, quiet, luxurious rooms with ocean views.